My name is the one, the king himself, as always on Celeb Jazz. We're about exclusive interview, diving into we don't just do news, but we go deep into news. Finding that side of the story. It's always about allegations. We go to the source and finding out. This time around, we are in May, my birth month. Because some of my friends are doing big things in it, and today, guess what? I have the beautiful, the sexiest, the African lady, African queen.
Oh yeah.
You know wambi maleyo. Amanyi sese ntankokuwa n'omuntu gwe manyi bagamba nti susiza.
Byonna bimaleyo kubanga guno mwezi gwa kukisusa.
Okitegeera.
Gwa kujanjawaza.
Hi Martha.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Today you look more calm, more relaxed, and I don't expect you to be like that. What's up?
I need to rest.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to rest. Yeah, so I need to rest because next few days my concert is on. So yeah. I'm just in my own zone, enjoying, feeling the vibe.
I know, right?
Yeah. Otherwise, birthday,
yeah, 25th May.
25th.
Yeah.
To ya go cake.
Customer nalete bidabo.
Ya ko tujja kujja.
Nina soka eno, then toka tuchimalira.
Tuchimalire.
Yes.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Good. Yeah. We thank God.
Amen.
Yes, everything is moving on.
Yeah.
A little bit of challenges, but ebirungi byebisinga challenges.
It's been really long, me and you catching up, like sitting down and talking and all that.
In fact, mbade manyo kyabuze. Tona bakuvaayo gye wali obulidde.
Navayo. I thank God I came back and I'm alive and kicking and everything is going on. I'm blessed. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Very nice. Let's catch up a little bit. So okubi endongo, ojikubiza maanyi, tukulabya okiyingide. Tell me about your journey just in a few while. For those that have been really not catching up with you like me. Yeah.
Well, Martha Mukisa yatandika okwagala music nga akyali kawala kato. Natandika naye nga nsinga kwagala nnyo dance. So I started in cultural dances. Mu masomero, mu church. Martha Mukisa agenze mu masomero agali Catholic founded schools nga St. Bali Kudembe era munasinga okufuna molding y'okuyimba eno, growth y'okuyimba. So
wafunako interaction ne Paul Saka because he's my good friend and he used to okolera amasomero gata enyimba. I don't know if you know him.
Neda safunako interaction naye music teacher wange eyaliwo by that time. Twafuna olukusa to redo all the songs. Ezali zikolebwa ebiseera museno koze muki, all that music. Yeah, so nefuna olwolukusa okubeerako ku St. Bali Kudembe. Nenvaayo, I started university. Mu university omwo mwe natandika okubeera omujagujagu numbalumbako ku bands ez'enjawulo. Yes, oluusi ne baja singenze ku having a fun ne bagamba anyone ayagala okuyimba nimbira nga ngendako nga nnyimba ku platforms wezityo mpolampola. Ewaka gyenzaalwa bazadde bange baagala nnyo music. Yes, naddala daddy wange amwagala nnyo.
So tuwafunamu any hindrance from the parents or family or byonna mu family byali thumbs up for you? We go, we push you?
Yes, hindrance yoka oyina kusooka kusoma. Okusoma kisinga obukulu daddy wange kyeyasinga ng'okungamba. Sooka okumala okusoma. People wanted to sign me then. Back then nagamba nedda. This is not yours. For you right now, you're supposed to be at school. So finish your school. Afterwards, ogenda kulaba ekiddako. So my dad naleta studio waka.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, because we have like rentals. So one of the rooms take our studio. Nebabiranga waliwo enkwatagana ne producer. So that's how now when I turn to club a few artists ngabaja recording abamu. Yes.
Who are these artists? If you're feeling free to mention names,
names. Those
that won't be offended, literally, because abamu boogera kaga hey Martha wachi wanjogeddeko all that yeah
era sigina katukwogera mannya gaabwe
naye gomanyi mu kyaliwo nzota feeling of
no kuba abasinga tebamanyi that is why because enyimba zaabwe zabeerangamu mu studio so I used to back
nga tebamanyi
like the producer jakucha Martha jya oteekeramu dino eddoboozi limesinga mu Riba Dragon so I will not mention.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. So
that means you are not paid, but you used to back them because of passion.
Because it's home, and I just love this thing, and then you just have a love, you know.
Yeah. So you wouldn't mind whether you're paid or not.
You come from singing in the bathroom, backward the chance again ku mic. It is exciting. You just want to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from studio, now I start recording my own music.
What was the name of the studio at home?
At home, by the 7 Stars.
Oh, 7 Stars. Okay.
Yes.
When I yimbi abakola ko 7 Stars. Those which year was that? Kale emyaka ejo. Just know that Martha used to back your songs because of her passion.
Yes.
Because of the love she had for the music.
For the music.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because of ekintu ekyo and dad nansaba nanga Martha one kaya kayimba and sikogenda mu studio nawe okoleyo your own song. So nimpandika kayimba kangawo ningina mu studio nekayimba. I did not look behind.
Which song was that?
Kali kayimba kaluzungu.
It's okay. You know that some people, because me I know, but some of our fans that it's their first time actually watching this. Maybe you haven't actually said this anywhere else, and they want to know your journey. That's why I'm going to say muko chap chap. So akayimba kano wakaita bat.
Akayimba kubaika over the river is taking me deep.
No, which river Martha was taking you there?
The best words that could come, byali mu luzungu.
Okay.
Yes, so I wrote this song. I need nothing, you gotta miss the time. Check out, singa na kafu ya tribal tuzinyako buno buzina.
We should do the song. We'll do the song actually. Maybe in times like this, and come piano mix. Kayinzo tukolera. Just think about that.
Yes.
So it looks like you grew up in a dad-mom homestead. Like dad home, mom home, other siblings were around?
Yeah.
How many were you? For
some time, it was dad home, mom home.
Okay.
Then unfortunately, it was only dad and mom the other side. So you're with dad during school time, then holidays you can go visit mom. Yes, so nenkula webatu nenga twakula nga tuli banji. Boarding from senior 1 to senior 4, that was Mitala Maria, Senbali Kudembe. Then high school, Kitante Hill School, from form 5 to form 6.
Home school.
Gomanyi, maninga wetwalo bisanga baboda wali eri.
Soko chogereko.
Ojirinya ngamba sebo ntwalako. Obo tukalinga ku kanjocha. Ngamba banaisebwe ate ozasira bide sente kusomero. Nojibukako. Nagamba oba nkuze ngamba akati transport wabiri kankome wano. So
some of these boarders see you now, and do they remember you and be like, nah,
I think so. There's even sometimes I'm border guy. I was kaya chuka ku border this guy nataniko kukwana ngambo obugambo. Yes, ngambo obugambo. Nensirika nga kinnuma. Afterwards never ku border nenzuruka emisinde nenjingira kete. Nesta kisasura noleza chaga.
Ngudde ko muyaye munange.
Wow. And kudos to all the kids that go to their school. Bambi, Bapambani, Bakabi. Yes.
I know.
Yes. Because I remember I started doing business in high school.
Really?
Yes.
And which business was this?
I was selling jewelry.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was
selling clothes.
Really? Nice.
Echikumba ngo chikuba muko abana kusomero nga weekend nga uza fetu ambala simanye ebyo bichi ate nga fetu salako kusomero
jewelry mutwala wali no mtuza teacher noma kanu kalungi madam na wakagamba okay come back at break time nolyo ko matazirina come back at lunch time naga mwana nesibyeko
tebakola nako ko mu class nga loko banjiza nya
akasente bana but it was fun. I was entertainment
teacher kablazer nampala na mu class.
Are you serious?
Ngatagala konsasula
yakubanga kiboko.
I know it was in form 5.
Yeah.
So ngenda mu nachenga inga mu dating andetera na kano Smith okalaba ekituufu kiri nti kajidde ku kyemeka kyetaano nawe ekisoma genda ku mitwalo 10-15 kati ka student teacher kano kali ka history nga kakola ki kejaka nyenza nenkaga nekagamba genda kumpa emitwalo 10 neegi nekampaka emitwalo 7 ekyebiri kyange nsooka nenkikola ki capital ne muzeeyo ayapadde kabulaiza kati nalina obanja etaano gyange student teacher talemezaamu tutuka mu history nga kali kamanyi first class muvumo
ebiseera ebyo
student kyanga mpalana nga ate tangoba mu history class ate nga nkola hegdi bannange ekyali awo. But anyways, be large up to all the hustlers out there.
I know, and our teachers babera bakabi, you know, bali batubererangamu.
Nina gwe nakobako ekivazi kyokka nange nenkyesala. Ati ngobimanyi naawe nga kyekiri ko tomanyi nga olugoye lwafulumye lwa fashioning ebisati byaba Ivan Semwange ebise ebyaliko obitegeera kale nkimukuba nze simanyi tulina MDD party simanya biki ebyo nanga ate nzija nkikoze kyali nkikubira ate ng'ekyange kifulaise antunya wati nga eno nefuuka mpala mole. So large up to hustlers though, by the way, when someone looks at you they don't think actually you've ever done that. Selling jewelry and all stuff. Yes.
I've non-stop to that. When I went to campus, I did textile designing and technology. It was a diploma. Nasoka nembera ngambera mu ba ushers. Ngena ne usheringka. Obusajja buno obumanyi buno obutera okuzina ku mikolo yebuti. Obuzine nnyo. Obuzine nnyo nga bambadde
obukyali bwa umalu.
Kuliko mu ba mitakim. Nasoka nembera nabo bagay nga usheringa obumanyi waliwo ebyo byali byazze ebyo. Ebyabalambu balinganga bava mu nnyonyi
mbitegeera mwambadde
nensoka nenkola ebyo kati wenalaba nga I can also do it myself nange nenkola ushering company
wangi
mukama
hoya kyamuyisa kitya
just olemezaamu bulemeza nange nenkiforminga afterwards mukama atuyambye it has grown big.
Nice. Oh, you're still carrying it on?
Yes, now my mom. No, now my mom is part of it and my sister. Okay. So my mom it's a huge events company. Okay, good. And we are planning for it to grow even bigger.
But it started bigger. With you?
Yes.
Nice. That's good.
So it means when I getting a busy, their music, both they are now taking over. Yes, with my sister.
And thanks to all the parents that come out to support our hustles. You know, you see me hustling, let's say with media, and then you say, you know what, Smith, get this money or do this to get a camera and then support me. You see someone like a girl child doing like a boutique, a small boutique, you know, it gives us a push somewhere, somehow.
Definitely.
Yeah,
so we do bridal,
nice.
We do hair, we do fumba kumikolo. So mutunonyangako tuli awo wampewa.
Nice. Nafe tukola photography and videography for events and corporate events, brand events. Na mikolo ejo nembaga umalo yogola bakwata kamera nakuba abagole shots. Abagole ne beewunya ne bagamba
bana. Bane mumpe ku sente.
Era tayage kimwe kyakifana ngamba umalu.
Bane mugule ticket za show.
Okitegedde umalu. King montage bagambe bagule ticket za show.
Nze wamwe
ebintu bya buli twe support
okitegera tulina okweyagalira mu nsi yaffe
okitegera wano wenyini ayo lwaki America kujja twagalisa
okitegera
ate nga ffe tuli
nga ffe tuyinza ebyekolera.
So you go through that hustle and then you basically want to settle into music. What inspires you to settle into music nga tulede badde neri hustle etambule ya
Yes, first of all it is the support of my parents.
Nice.
Nze dadi wange yabeerako ne ku video yange emu paka kumacha.
Shoot?
Yes.
Wow. Your dad is a different person.
Mami wange niwe mukubira zinsawo nemugamba nyabo yumuka gendo nonye olugoye I'm going to perform somewhere. Mami wange ajagena mu wineyo agendewa ano yokitegera mami oyinayo program yonzijja njaga enviri ziri byayo ati sinabudde kanzo nkwatemu. So it's because those people bagala kyenkola.
Nice.
That's why I kept on going. Ningamba solo kutuka. Secondly, God. But it is him. He's the center of everything kyenkola. Yes. So musaba nangaidinga. Yes.
Okay.
Musaba ate ne mwebaza. So tekikoma kusaba kokka.
Abamu tebagala kwebaza.
Ne mwebaza n'okwebaza. All time ejjanga just oyina kwebaza kati eno time gyendimu mwebaza kuba ebisinga yabikoze dda.
Great.
Yes, ebisinga yabikoze. So thirdly, I should say it's the love.
From people or from yourself?
Yes, the love for music.
Okay.
Because I love music, I will wake up and keep going. I'll wake up ningamba, okay fine, ejo tebyakoze bulungi. Ne music antusiza wano, let me try again. Oba ninga naye, I have this at heart. Neyongerayo. Yes.
Okay, let's look at the transition from the Martha Mukisa of English to Martha Mukisa of Sisaga. It must have been a hard one, because me transiting from wanting to be a lawyer from school, everyone got to come a lawyer, message or why, what happened, what went wrong, you know.
Sigwe kanenze nchali lawyer, ndi lawyer mu sako zange zembera nkolere yo bwa lawyer wange. I also wanted to be a lawyer meanwhile. Naye nesanga ndiye mu textile. So the transition tebadde mu science mungi nga we nagambye ebera mu challenges naye okkiriza ezo challenges zikufuule the best of yourself. So those challenges zinfudde west. You can go in your bed no cover, but do not stay in your bed. For you? Yes. No, you are maziga ng'oli mu buliri ng'owulira ogusungu ogunugu, you know, okwetamwa, you know. But at the end of the day, do not, because it is okay to do that. Yeah. But then do not stay in that bed and have no color party. Ya wiki namba. Ng'oli mu maziga. N'ogula popcorn. N'otandika okitegera okulaba film.
Cornflakes. Someone was telling me, I'm so depressed, I need cornflakes. I'm going to carry. Bino byestagala bino Pringles. Naye. Abaana abo.
Siri basonyiwa. Omuntu nagamba nno ogenda mula nagamba nno omutwaliyo Pringles. Ogenda otuka ku Pringles nga za bbeeyi bitya.
Okitegeera.
Kyokka tebiwooma.
Oluusi nga nogwera ekigambo gwe gusoose.
I'm sorry to the people who eat Pringles.
Oluusi nno kati nze omuntu ayinza okugamba naye nga n'ekigambo kunze gwe gusoose n'okiwulira. I'm like, okay. N'otambula supermarket.
Odde eri.
Ayino mayina okunoonyeza ku Google ndabe.
Pringles.
Naye we bifaanana.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that challenge that really made you that one moment that really made you like wanna quit, wanna sob in your bed. But it always zungu ni namulungi because Martha, when she's her voice, you know, in that your practice in events, so that you feel her sexiness in her that deep voice. Yeah, so that one moment that you felt like giving up.
Yes.
And you sobbed for almost, I think, a week or 2 days or more that you've never actually cried for. Yeah, let's talk about that one. So that one, maybe a girl child, maybe a boy child out there can feel like crying is okay, but need to get up. Which moment is that?
I think, okay, in a moment, James Jukira, I think let me just share that one. Yeah. And Jukira nagenda ko mu. But that when they have open what?
Open mic?
No, open competitions where we tell. Are they competitions over?
Auditions?
Auditions, yes, open auditions. Yeah. Is Eagles, the new Eagles.
New Eagles, yes. That break from Eagles production to New Eagles.
New Eagles. Yes. Nebaita. Nefuna mukwano gwange nga mumanyi tugende. Ne tugenda bane abantu bali bangi.
Wangi?
Abantu bali bangi. Until I got a chance of getting onto that stage and I sang whatever I sang.
Did you sing someone's song?
Yes.
I can imagine.
I think I sang Angela Kalule's song. Yes, I think Katiki Tiki, I think that was the song. Ninyimba byonna byenayimba. Yeah. Netuvaayo awo regulo ne batusiibula ne batugamba bajja tukubira netugenda mu kugenda nga tugenda mu motoka mukwano wange namugambira n'ogamba tewaliwo kyogenda kunkasikasa, they're not going to call us.
Why were you?
Mu maziga.
Because of the comments from the
because
judges?
abasinga baali babayise. Baali babayise. So lwaki batugamba muno ffe bajja tukubira masimu. Kitegeeza bakugobye mu bulungi naawe. Bakugobye mu ngeri yes. So nagenda mu motoka mu taxi nga nkaaba maziga. But I remember Mbambi, my friend Linet, yangumya nanga Martha. Kachino chigana. There are other opportunities. You watch to go me because Bambi Yambo, she talked to me.
She was also an artist, like Yimba.
No.
She was just a friend that escorted you.
Yes, she's my friend. She's my sister. Yeah. So there is that bond. Yes. So Linet, you're not Jolie. At this point, we are going for our first maiden concert. Can you imagine, babes?
Yeah. It was a dream. It was a dream.
It is a dream come true.
Yeah, I know.
It is a dream come true.
She's not in the country?
Mwali.
Okay.
Era ndoza agenda kuja ku concert.
Tumuyite?
I know kuja.
It's an obvious case?
Yes.
So how long did it take you to recover from this competition, okay, this open audition that made you cry, and then you'd be like, Martha, get up. You need to do this again.
I cannot really remember well. Naye personally is Muntu, like a happy person.
Yeah.
And I love renewing my mind like day by day.
Yeah.
So I listen maybe to things that empower and inspire me, and then maybe pull me out of my bed.
Yeah.
And maybe, you know, but then there are times when you can even just resort to now start partying, drinking, using, just because remember, you don't have a job or yimba, just kubera, you know. So even jamu at that point, but then at the end of the day, I realized that I'm like, okay, this is what I want, and because I want this, I have to clean up myself and just be.
Why would you in the first place go for new egos? Because there's so much like band music, and now Sisa got these all others these band music.
Exactly. So what opportunity? Sometimes when they will take our opportunity, like, you know what, then they maybe or either no someone else can support you. Yeah. So bulichimu ate music waffe wawano kwa kati nze nga natandise okuyimba enyimba ezedda tendi wakabi
katulinde concert otusurprising okubireyo kabasuddaawo.
That's why when you see I can feel in nga nkoze ne mwami yawe I can feel nga ndine.
It was a powerful collaboration actually.
Thank you so much.
It was the two collaborations that have really it's not personal, but I feel like they were really powerful. You with Eddie Kenzo, it was a banger. I listened to the song before I think everyone else listened to it, apart from you. Yes, connections. Really? Man. So I listened to the song and I'm like, okay, this is a hit song. I told someone, and someone actually called me and be like, "We guy, we meant to get Namugamba." I told you. And then the song with Eddie, I didn't listen to. I listened to that I think after like about 2 days of release, and I was like, yo, you know, by then I was actually, I think after Carol Nantongo's collaboration, I remember it was powerful. So you go into studio with this same guy and something is really way beyond the board, and I'm like, okay, oh no, Martha, Gwe money, or what's then I'm like, okay, this is another banger. It was those were really my songs.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's talk about in movies, because I love movies. We talk about the tryst. So let's talk about the tryst or the turn of things, with you and your music. Yeah. So before I talk about your breakthrough, let's talk about the turn of things, So how do you turn from I would say the original youth band, because you like old music and stuff like that, now turning to the urban Afrobeat. Let's talk about that turn and when it happened.
The Martha is versatile. Always the Martha was versatile. She's a viber. She just wants to enjoy. She loves melodies. She just wants to enjoy music. So I think the turning point is now being signed to Black Magic Entertainment in 2020. Because now this is a team of people. When music comes in, they are listening to different vibes. So it's the vibes that turn things. The vibes of everyone because of Mulimu team.
Before you were not with a full team, you had like how many people working with you?
Before it was just me and just one of my friends.
Okay.
Who was trying to help me run things then. I
know, right?
Yes. So I think now meeting the team, now it's business. I'm looking at this more of commercial.
More of kamane.
Yes, kamani.
Passion ni weri na ekat.
So now this is how things turn. This is how now they start thinking of strategies like who can work best with our artists. Tunonya Vitaros, Tunonya Eddie Kenzo. So these are all ideas of these guys on my team.
That's where the turn came in.
That's where all this other music because of the together vibes.
Okay, so let's talk about the breakthrough. Everyone you hit us with a banger, and then all of a sudden we see Martha Mukisa, and then all of a sudden we see Eddie Kenzo on the tune. How did it happen? Was it still about the team, or it was your initial input?
Tunamala kolero.
Simanyi kwa nalungi.
Abatuuliza nga tebali ku kamera bali eri bindali ngate bo babuzedda.
Atubaze mu Luganda. So breaking the through. Abantu bakulabi bategedde Martha Mukisa, who Martha Mukisa is, but they are still wondering, ani Martha Mukisa, akoze ne Eddie Kenzo. Was this your breakthrough, or there was another breakthrough that you started again?
That was my breakthrough.
Okay.
That was the biggest song I had by that time.
Yeah. This is 20...
That is 2021.
Yeah.
Ngetandika. So it was the biggest song, and everyone related with it, and everyone was saying, Obono Mwalavawa. Is she American? Is she Ugandan?
Is she Nigerian?
Is she Nigerian? Is she Rwandese? Is she what?
Nigeria, America.
You guy.
You
guy. Look at this chick here.
Hey, what are you saying now?
Yeah, so
if you were in studio, I was gonna make you stand up and be like, turn around.
Show them what your mama please. So netandika okubeera nga abantu mbatuuza obufoofofo ate oluyimba ne lukuba nnyo. It was Sango is one of the biggest songs that my songs that have the hugest number of views. Yeah, when you go online and streams. Yes, when you go online. So from there I did not look back, even though people were saying like, oh, agena kuzako akapya. I wrote Tebatusha and I was like, Martha Mukisa, Sisa Aga.
Tagline now, so
now I'm fucking gonna do a show.
One of the biggest places in Uganda.
Yes.
Yo.
By some of the please help me with my water.
I just love talking to
my friends. We're in America.
Yeah, I just like talking to my friends during the show because the whole show is a vibe and the whole show is we just be vibing. So after this breakthrough, the streams come in, the command starts coming in, then let's talk about the tagline. Abasinga tagline, Ebatawanya nyo Martha. And then you come with Sisaga. What inspired you? Why Sisaga of all words?
It was, I think, it just came up. For starters, it just came up. How?
Yeah.
Do you want me to give you that?
Yeah, you should, because you know me, when I'm talking to you, literally, I want people to understand the way I understand you. Yeah. Because so many people want to relate with the Sisaga, right? Kwanza badeka wala bukakozesa wale ugamba Sisaga nengamba yo mwino kumanya kigambo kyo twachijja. Now I was talking to your friend Zizabafana, and then the other day I was talking to King Mike, and then that whistle thing, and he explained how it came about, and everyone actually all the comments were about okay akakantu kafuwa ulijjo weka kajja. Then Zizabafana buli mugamba tagline ye weto yajja so kanjogereko ku ya Sisaga abantu bamanye je yava.
So tagline ya Sisaga ekituufu kiri nti yo yeekola bwekozi. Naye ntera nnyo kurelatinga mu magye. Before you get a dog tag, you have to work hard to get that what?
Dog tag.
Yes. Oba ezo initials ezo zibeerako. Tinibagamba ti ye Gwe
Sergeant Gundi.
No, nabo babera n'amanya gaabwe ge beeyita.
Code lion.
Yeah, code lion, code bichi, you know, zebra one. What? So before you have to work hard for it.
Yeah.
So it was something I worked hard for. So mba ntekamu, I think my buno busemba yo mulimbo bufeelers ongo. So I'm like, Mata Mukisa sisaga. We all then nituzoka no gamno tukasangulemu tukajemu.
You're working with which producer by then?
That was Brian Beats.
Okay.
Yeah, that is Brian Beats. So then after your Brian Beats nakali kam nekagenda.
Which song is this?
That is Teba Tuchawa. Olimba nerufuluma. Olimba mufuluma. Ntandika oluperforminga abantu wogamba Mata Mukisa nga babo bazemu dasisaga. So nefuke ngomo nga relatinga nnyo ku Mata ne jenvudde. Abantu bangi nnyo minwa because I'm a jolly woman.
Yeah.
Ndi, you know, bamanyi nsaga naddala ebintu ebimu balooza we mbikola kati nga ngenda okola ama bagamba asaga neziŋŋakanya bagamba naye tugenda musisaaga concert. Okitegera? So ebintu ebimu nzize era ani ono Jacob omutuuze akyayogera nti no omanyi bw'olivaamu okusaaga you're going to become bigger than you think. Naye nze nkanya mugamba naye nze sebo sisaaga ndi serious. So sisaga relatinga Mata Mukisa as a person ate ne bafanzi bange tebasaga batandika okumpagira tebasaga.
So that's how it came about.
Yes.
Niceness. So really there's so many things I would want to ask, but because of time we'll run through chap. So after that not what bangers as awendala, why what consideration chizo sinzirako okulonda collabos? Because your collabos look to be picky. Yeah, if I don't know the benchilaba, they look really to be picky. You're not a person that will just do with literally everyone.
Yeah.
What do you consider? What would you to know leader?
The team.
It goes back to the team.
Yes, it's not a decision of Mata Mukisa alone. The team. Sometimes it's just one person who suggests something, then omula nachi endo singa, Mata nangi I also fall in love with it. Sometimes I don't even like the idea. Endo tu kayo, I fall in love ngandi mu studio ngamba okay, you guys were like you this has become something chinade subira. So sometimes it's me and I'm like, guys, what do you think of this person?
Have you written down a name of all those artists you want to collaborate with?
No.
All the team has?
No.
They just come up with an idea?
I just leave it to God and how ebintu ebino tambula.
Yeah.
So ugenda okulola omwezi oguddako nga waliwo gwokologanye naye ne mukola. Yeah, so tebiri nze sibiteekamu science mungi.
Which of the collaborations you single about hard time nga team, you and your team that you're working with? Jumagamba, that was a hustle, man.
Yeah.
It wasn't easy to get in studio with the idea, with the song, even writing it was something that really took us a hell time. I'm
over in Abiri.
Yeah, it's okay.
First of all, Victor Rose, kuba twali mu lockdown.
Yeah. So
recording was a bit tricky. Even video shooting was a bit tricky. Twatuka even video shoot. Yeah. Etuka musawe exceeding jukira waliyo curfew. So it was a bit tricky. Attend sending a bad time. Katono, struggle yali nyingi. Then the other one I should say Neteze. Yes, Neteze gave us a little bit of challenges, but then it was it. Yes. After or before? Before and after. Both. Yes, both. Yeah, that story, man. Both. Yes. That story. Yeah. How did you overcome? Trust me. Yeah. I was praying for you. Yeah. Yeah. It was something else. Yeah. How did you overcome? We just left things to run the way they were supposed to run. Yes. That's all. That is all. Any message to people out there that have gone through such, and any message to them? Like, yeah. Ebintu bileke bitambulenga bino toteekamu science mungi topushinga nnyo kintu twemalaako mirembe. Let's always be positive. Ekintu always kirabemu chirabe mu positive obulungi. Yes, so look at the positive totunulira nnyo ekibi ekivuddeyo.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay, you've told us ebimu byogera to. Do you look at vocal maturity or vocal ability? Because I know you twadde mu kuyimba era kamuno you train a lot and you know, until always in your band music old music ngatafa ku ddoboozi. Do you consider that nga oli mu kintu kya gundi kya kushuzinga collaborations?
Yes, and it has been a lot of learning. Zino collaborations zonna buli omu gwe nkoze naye ninake mu pickingako from Victor Rose to Baza Baza to Eddie Yawe to Eddie Kenzo to Ziza Bafana. It is a lot of learning from these guys. Kwabali talented ate basajja. So nina bingi byemba pickingirako nange nembireta nembiteeka keno mu change.
But ngendo okujja, why haven't you collaborated with women? Or you're into males a lot, into boys a lot. You're a tomboy, you want to tell me that, yet I don't really see you into it. Why men?
Why men? There's nothing but why men banange.
Why men artist matter?
Chize buzinti no right now nakakola ko ne male. Nayinja kola ko no muchala. Kwanza nyaga nnyo kola n'abakyala. I love working with women. I love working with women. In fact, I love even, you know, for abakyala, you know, even that I see it even with my friends. My friends were first best friends even. I remember when I was in class, both my two friends, Nalisibaga. Bali bekoza nnyo mu class nani twamala tufuka ba mikwano naye nga nakagenda ekitante mwana nali nvudde eri nengenda bo bayi basomeddewo so nali nga balina embeera you know
sireyinga biki simanya biki
bawanika nnyo emikono
mata na usongo uti ni bukuluma
sikulimba bawanika nnyo emikono bebasooka okufuluma mu bageze mu breakfast bakomyewo n'ebyokulya bingi ng'ovuddeyo waka bakwadde 12 banange kwe gamba inako obuzibu beyogeza luno oluzungu luno babes banange naye after they became my friends
nga busilanga obujja be babumanyi
and they are good people.
Nice.
Ate ne tujja ku ground yemu ne tubeera nga tweyagala ate ne twagala okweyongera mu maaso. So I love working with women. Tulina ekibeera kyaffe naye ekibeera ekyo those flows ze zitugatta wetu ne tufuna.
Let's look at the women that are around in the industry and right now. What are some of those names that we should expect on either your album, your EP, or after the concert and coming through?
Yeah. I do not know, but I love to work with almost all of them. Abakabi, abachikuba, njaga nnyo kukolagana nabo. Netukolayo ekintu ky'amaanyi.
Let's look at your playlist. Things that you're listening to right now. Let's start with the female music in the country. Which ones are you listening to of recent?
Right now, I'm only listening to
who have you been listening to before? Actually, let's take back the trailer a little bit. Who have you been listening to?
Who?
In your phone, in your iPad, in your car, at home?
No, because of
in
the
your
concert.
Stereo.
Because of the concert, right now I'm listening to Martha.
Let's drop back a little bit.
But I feel right now that the Bailando song is on.
That is
Vinca.
Vinca, yes.
Yes, I think the Bailando song is doing it.
Okay.
Yes.
You've listened to it?
Yes.
Okay, any other song?
Do that everywhere you go.
Even if you're wanting to listen to your music, you listen.
You're Okawuya Kasabula, yeah. So I think Bailando is doing so good. Azawi is doing good. I love Winnie Nwaji. I love Shiba. Okay. I love Irene Tale. I love Spice Dana.
I would want to see you on a collab. Okay. Nandi akado kulaba kuluyimba with Irene Tale. I feel like you guys. I feel like something would be magical. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Yes.
I feel like something would be magical.
I would also love it.
Yeah,
I would also love it.
So okay, let's go to the main playlist. Nyagala tuenda ku kivulu kati kwanza byoyogera bino mbamanyi live agenda okuba ku kivulu nesi badde sagala kubuusa. So we are all with Mukisa Sisaga live in concert. That is Freedom City. Tugenda kwatobera ticket nawo inzo zijja entebe emenza zameka and all that. We just wanted to drop back a little bit. Tukachinga up no tugenda okulaba ku stage that day. Nga tumumanyike ebintu ebimu. So that was olaba Nwaji ku kivulu teweewunya omanya kyali wa mwagala era n'okukola naye olaba Irene Tale olaba Shiba olaba Vinca olaba any but botanaba ku collaboze you it's an automatic thing. So with men Yeah.
With men?
Yeah, this playlist jotera uliza kwa wadowulira
nga wakisabula
nga bakubira nga gwe kayimba kabongo kayina
nkawulira
ng'okawulira
abasajja banino Oma-Africana.
I've ever heard of him.
Bikolo siriko bekumwanjo.
Yes, yeah.
Bintu byallo. Oyo guy yankolera ennaku zino. Alina oluyimba lwe baluyita kandi ezange.
Yenda dunoonyako.
Mu mutima omulungi nze mundeke nziri ezange. Nana.
Umaru yasinga obumanyi obwo.
Umaru olifano Oma-Africana sebo.
Mumanyi nze mind I'm into so much like sijja byoga abayimbi bajja kumpala n'abamu.
Yes, so much in what?
Ennyimba zentera owuliriza.
Oiza ziriwa?
Zizo.
Onnina leero.
Okitegedde?
A new song barita Astagada. Oba kitegeeza ki?
Tujja mubuuza. So any other male that you listen to?
I love Jose Chameleone.
Yeah, One King Joseph.
Yes. Do you know that those times I just listen to the big three?
Oh.
Yeah.
So let's talk about that. The big three, Bebe Cool, Bobo Wine, and then Jose.
I love them. That is all I can say.
Being a diplomatic singer.
I love them. That is all I can say about those three. Yes. Maybe there's times I wake up and then now I listen to Papa Misach. I listen to Maureen Nantume.
Yeah. She's a lovely lady.
Name Puliriza, Sophie Nantongo. Name Puliriza, Catherine.
That catalog.
That catalog. Go jimanyi ku Sunday.
Okitegeera ku
macha. Nekuisamu wete gali. Yeah.
Oyinza okutagala kuvambuliri nenga tolina obuvaamu. Nobera mu nyumba.
Osika akamereko we bati. Nga oyimba mwa.
Yeah, I know. By the Papa Misach has a new song Katluisel. Barita Museno Kozemuchi. That
is a Senbali Kudembe song and I was very happy.
I know, right?
Yes. Papa Misach, I want to do that song with you.
On your show. Tichimugamba Jekubanga also has a show, I think.
Yes.
But on your show.
I wish, oh my God, I want to do that song with you. That is one of my favorite songs.
And it's Paul Saka that wrote the song.
That is
telling you Paul Saka is from.
Yes, that nebwa muno katifitu is a nyimba twazidamne tuzibi recording. So bindi wano kumutima.
Buli kigambo.
Sibuli na chigambo that times the memories when I was in that school.
Wow.
Man, Papa Misach. That song webale nyo kona wao nyo webale.
Kale, I'm at the Mukisa running through the catalog of your own songs.
Yeah.
Which one have you been really that has been on your mind lately? Don't tell me all your songs.
Tondeka kemebwa kuva kuchalo kuliko ne banno. Banda bantagala.
Hey.
Baby, ndaba kuchigwe
Sabula. Hey.
Tondeka kemebwa kuva kuchalo kuliko ne banno. Muwedde.
That is a song on your mind right now.
On my mind.
Every time, every single second.
Every second. I'm sorry to my other babies, but this new baby
is your new baby.
Is my new baby.
You love him or her so much.
She's a she.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So rehearsals are underway, but I can't let you go without talking about stuff that has been happening. Recent. You had to go through some other hell of breaking news and breaking stories with your fellow female artist. What's going on, you people? What's up, Martha? What's up?
There's nothing. What's up?
What it is?
Nothing.
No, you're lying.
I'm not lying.
Okay,
why should I lie?
What's up? Like you should tell us. Do you know about the story? What's up? Like why are you female artists fighting yourselves? Like I don't even know how to ask the question literally. Just tell me about everything so that even your fans can get to know.
Why is someone speaking out their mind called fighting? Me, I just saw someone who was speaking out her mind. Kunsongai. Whereby I have a concert whereby chirungi to have such debates. Kubanga zezituyamba okuggrowinga mu music wono gwe tulimu. So me, I just saw someone who's just speaking out her mind. Nayogera byayogedde. Now we have a debate. Now the show is just 6 days because we're not turning back. So we're just calling out to the supporters now. Okulaga that we can do it. Nina kubira chakulabirako. Nga Spice Azawi, Winnie Nwaji, Shiba, n'abakyala bali abasooka, Juliana, Irene Nambiru, nga bwe bakikola ne babeera inspiration. Amoso ngenda nange kweyongerako ku ekyo. So that omulala anajja addamu amaanyi n'agamba no. If Gundi did this, I can do it. Aye nange omulala wanaaba alina show. Nja kuvaayo full zone mu supporting kuba bannange nabo bakoze eki bansupporting nze. So I feel that is just someone speaking out their mind.
Have you been friends with Kapakat before all this? If I ask you my maiden question of that of that story.
Acquaintances.
Kyogere mu Luganda.
Google search gwatulaba. Googling olabe ekigambo acquaintance kitegeeza ki. Okay, I should say tuli mu mulimu gwe gumu.
But you're not friends.
Nti we twesanga. I'll be high.
Oh.
I love Kapa's music. I'm sure she loves my music. Yeah.
Are you friends? Okay. Have you ever had a talk like a length talk or a minute talk or 3?
That's why I'm going to the acquaintances.
Mwesanga kubivuga mudduka bamanyi.
I've been on an interview with her. Yeah, I've been on one of the interviews with her, and she loves my music. That's why I'm sure she loves my music. I love your music, so I feel she's just a fan. And a fan, a female. Ali mukulumirwa Martha, and just speaking out her mind.
Let me ask you this question. Okay, is a mubadi? Have you ever done any kabadi?
Nedda.
Walokoze kabadi mu career yo?
No.
Why? Because people are thinking this is kabadi. You people are playing on our minds in just to push the concept. How true is this?
I do not know. Naye buli kimu kisobola okujjanga kalinganga kabadi. Olaba nga ojjeko egalubindi zeezo olabika oli kabadi ku bantu kulaba ku maaso go okitegeera. So ekintu kyonna kyonna mu ngeri gyo buba bubadi buba bukodyo.
But you didn't know about this nti oba kabadi oba byaddala nga akulumba byaddala ayagala mufisitinge mukko.
Then aŋŋambe kati tulabe ekyokukola.
Oyina mu dansolo? Gagamba batalina dansolo. Oyina mu dansolo Martha?
Golowooza ki?
Oba wamazaawo dansolo?
Golowooza ki?
Nze mmanyi okuba osawulamu abatakumanya
koona wano.
Singa tubateekayo bato manye dda twalinanga zizi kamiliyoni bebekulu etugamba Martha ku stage A, Kapa ku stage B, walaani owulira gloves zo yagala blue corner oba red corner. Producer nga kibuuzo teyakingambye kibuuza naye kankibuuza kubanga oli kyali wange ayagala blue corner red corner eriwo eyinza okukunyumira gy'owulira nti ofittinga mu gloves awo bulungi. What's your best color?
My best color black.
Okay, so I would give you black panties. What's your next best color to black?
Only black.
Another option. Today you're not putting on black. I'm surprised.
That's why I have my glasses. They are black. Bichimuka chenda chinganga cha black. Okuba zino galubindi.
Interview no jibuze speed. Anyways, we're coming to the end of the show. That has been there. I don't know what kabadi, but you've told us go bade tobimanyiko. But you think someone is okay to speak up their mind, and you wouldn't have a problem with it.
Tulina okweyagalira mu nsi yaffe. Twaweebwa eddembe ery'okwogera.
Bweyagala ayogere.
Yeah.
Okay. How many days to the concert as we come to it?
6 days.
6 days?
Yeah.
You feel you're ready?
Definitely.
Why Freedom
Come
City?
On. Like for real?
Yeah, for me.
On 6 days you ask me if I feel ready?
I can ask you this even one day to the show. Some people become nervous. Some people some people pee in their panties on
but
the
nervous
rehearsals.
Is good. Nervous is good. Nervous is good. It is good. It makes you human. You're human. You have something big that is coming. You have to be anxious, nervous. You have to have a little bit of fear. You're
not even losing weight. I'm surprised. Your people lose weight towards their concert.
I've lost weight meanwhile.
Really?
Yeah. Oh no, not lost weight. I've gotten some shaping.
Okay.
Yes.
You like it?
Yes, I like it because I've been working out. I've been taking care of, drinking a lot of water.
Tell them we're on water. All of us we're drinking water.
So,
glass yo yasise kuyangi. Producer yampadde yangi. Netu jagendera goli serebo okusinga. So Martha, why Freedom City nga tumaliriza?
Why Freedom City?
Why not Cricket Oval? Why not hockey grounds? Why not all these other places that everyone has been going to? Why Freedom City of all places?
Because it's Freedom City, and that is where it's going to be on the 12th of May. Freedom City it is. Freedom City is going to be. Chimanyi tulina gye twagala okwera abeeyo nga tukikubye tugendeko mu Cricket Oval, tugendeko
Serena,
ekisaawe bakitata
hockey grounds,
Nakivubo nga bagimaze. But then let us start small, we shall grow big. I want to go to Serena, inshallah nyange njagala ndabeko ku O2. Amen. Yeah, so
sisaga mitwalo 2, 5 and emeza ya meka.
Ordinary mitwalo 2, VIP mitwalo 3.
Yes.
Emeza ojana mikwano gyo 6 ne mweyagalira mu nsi yammwe ku kakadde kamu kokka.
Ake Uganda. Keti Promotions ya chikutemo mukono Haji.
So sad Haji wange yafiiriddwa naye.
We push on, we go.
Haji mkama akugumye ne family yo. And I wish you the best. I wish us the best mu kintu kyaffe kino kye tugenda okukola. Yes.
Abasinga badde batidde nga bagamba Martha Freedom City kinagwa
kino okugwa.
Nefa bakumanyi kimanyi kino okugwa.
Yes.
Kubanga tetusaaga
bali eyo bangi. Baagala kujja. So gwe fani wange oli eyo kwata munnoowo ku mukono ojje naye ojjo sange bannoobe abalala abatasaaga bajja kubeerayo ku Freedom City nga beesunze Martha Mukisa nange mbesunze you guys. I'll give you lots of kisses when I'm on stage.
Stage tujinyako sawa meka because now we can break at least the ice. Get into naku zigwayo speed. Yes.
I think 8-9 your girl will be on stage.
Live, semi-live, over Kasidi.
Live.
Live.
Yes.
Line up, you're looking at who and who, just icebreaker.
No, muje mubiera bireko.
Surprise from in Uganda and outside Uganda, or from outside Uganda, kagenda tuleteo abantu batukuberaga nga tubamanyi.
Surprise only international acts. Yo. Yes, we only have international acts in Uganda. What are you talking about?
Hey!
Victor Rose is an international act.
Okay.
Martha Mukisa international act.
Yeah.
Baza international act.
Ziza Bafana.
Bonna only international acts bibagenda okubirayo.
Kale, your last words abantu ticket bazijawa once again. Do you deliver nga gwenzi uyinza kwanja kugula table nenga ya Martha Mukisa go bojja.
Gwe kati kwate esimu enamba y'essimu eno. Ogikubeko 0701 094 691. Gwe kuba esimu eyo gambe nze njagala muyimbi ajje nina table ye wano. Akakadde. Ajje naye ate kijja kusukka nnyo ogamba nina obukadde bwange 5. Gula table 5. Obeera okisusiza nnyo ate n'okikuba.
Ate oba tosaaga. Twagalira mu nsi yaffe eno Uganda na 12 May ku Freedom City. Mbagala nnyo. Emiryango gigulawo sameka?
Emiryango saawa emu
ey'okumakya.
Beera nga otandise okwetegeka kuba jjamu ennaku zino mungi. Gwezuka saawa emu otandika okwetegeka biri awo kitundu otandika okutambula mpola. Oba otambuza bigere ng'oli kwa kumpimpi ojja kutuukira mu budde.
N'oba oli wawala linnyawo kookada baasi jangu osula na Kampala.
Obeerewo olunaku olwo lunyumirwe.